Hello friends. So I'll be outside and I won't be able to make a video today. So that's why I'm telling you today's day was a good day for option buyers. Anyone who would have sold uh, would have made profits definitely. As I had mentioned earlier as well, today there will be a huge sell-off. 12,000 crores of shares have been sold by the FII, and today DII has also sold. So the thing is, tomorrow if the market opens gap down, there will be some gap down. Sorry, sir, there will be some downward movement, after which there will be upward movement again. And if the market opens with a gap up, there could be some downside followed by an up move. The reason I say this is because DII has been buying all the while, but today it sold few shares, right? I mean very negligible, 3000 something, 3000 crore something shares. And FII has been selling always. It bought just couple of times, but today it dumped all its shares. So now I don't think they have many more shares to sell. So the price is also at a very low price. The price level is also at a very low. So it will try to buy DI and FI will try to buy things now. Alternatively, what I would suggest is don't trade for tomorrow or day after tomorrow's expiry. Instead, if you have money, invest in shares right now. Okay, invest in shares right now. Whatever shares are there, for a long term, right? So shares related to infra. I think Modi had made an announcement earlier. Shares related to infra, shares related to railway, shares related to capex, shares related to defense, right? I won't give out the names right away, but I also invested some amount today in few of the shares, right? So the best thing to do right now is don't trade FNO, because you don't know how much the fall would be, and you also don't know whether there will be further fall. So if you initiate a downside trade and the market goes up, you will be caught in a mess. And if you go ahead with the upside trade and if the market falls further below, it will be again a mess. So instead, invest in stocks at temporarily till the market settles, right? So I wouldn't be making a video tonight with all the levels, because that's a simple suggestion. Don't trade FNO for tomorrow and day after tomorrow's expiry. And I'll be outside, so I won't be available for making the video as well with the laptop, right? So the simple thing, once again I'll repeat, this is again before that, this is a disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed are for educational purposes only, and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Okay, so viewer discretion is advised. And also, making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make money from stock market. So with that, thank you so much and stay tuned.